Finding the square root of a number. So to find out the square root of any number, I will show one simple technique. If you observe this 1 square to 10 square, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81, and 10 square is 100. Only for the 5 square n number is 5, for the 10 square is n number is 0, matching it is. But remaining, if you observe, for 6 square also 36, n number is 6, even 4 square also 16, end is 6. So just observe this pattern. Let me take one question. If you want to find out the square root of a number using this table, for example 57,000, okay, let me take small number, 5,776. 5,776. I want to find out the square root of this. Square root of 5,776. And you can take the two numbers from right side, 2 and remaining set. If you observe, this last number is 6. But end with 6 we have two options, either 6 square or 4 square. 6 square also end with 6, 4 square also end with 6. So we have two options from this, either 4 or 6, 4 comma 6. Maybe end with 4 or end with 6 also, or 6 will come. Next, 57. 57 is between which two numbers? 57 is, okay, 49 and 64. Between these two, right? 49 and 64. Between 7 square and 8 square. 7 square or 8 square. So based on this both, in this the small one is 7. Between 7 square and 8 square. So after 7 it is not cross 64. 57 is not cross 64. Only just cross the 49. So 7 square. That means with 7 and this is the 4. 74 or 76. In this, one of the answer is correct for this. Okay, either 74 or 76. But how to find out which is the correct? The simple technique is 7, no, next to 7 into, with next number you multiply, 7 into 8. So 56. But if is 57 it is. This is the greater. So 57 is greater. 57 is greater than our answer. So therefore, bigger number is correct. So 76 is the correct answer. So this is correct answer. 76 into 76 you multiply, you'll get 5,776. Okay. Let me show you one more example. For example, okay, one perfect square, 8,649. 49, right? So 9 it is. 9 means 7 square also 9 and 3 square also 9. So two options, either 3 comma 7. Next, 86 is just after which perfect square is 86. 86 will come just after 81. 81 means 9. Take 9 directly. Because between 9 square and 10 square, so 9 you can take directly. Now it is either 93 or 97. So but this is the 9 number. So after the 9 is next number is 10. 9 into 10 you multiply 90. Compared to 90, 86 is the small. So compared to this, the starting number, if it is small, small number is answer. Starting number is big, big number answer. Therefore, 93 is the correct answer. Not 97. 93 is correct. Right. So any set you can use this pattern to do easily. So to find out the square root, just observe the last. You need to remember this pattern, this full table. Observe this. Based on this, we can answer this. Okay, only by observing how to say directly. So for example, let me take the small one. 1,444. Immediately this 4. 4 means you have 2 square as well as 8 square. So 2 comma 8 you can keep. Now this 14 you observe. 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. So 3. That means 32 or 38. So now these both. Starting is 3, right? 3 into 4 you multiply 12. 12 is less compared to this 14. 14 is the bigger. So bigger answer is right. Therefore answer is 38. Okay. We can use this concept to find out the any square root. Only with the perfect square numbers. If the number is perfect square, you can find out the square root using this concept.